Good morning from sunny San Francisco. It is a beautiful day outside and I'm going to do something today that I've always wanted to do, which is bike across the Golden Gate Bridge. I want to give a shout out to Unlimited Biking for being the partner of today's video. They were kind enough to provide us with 2 e-bikes for the whole day basically, and that's how we're going to get from here to Sausalito. We are here! Unlimited Biking. Stay strapped. Look at how cute our bikes are. They're bright blue. And they're matching!
We're gonna go all the way down Marina, across the bridge to Sausalito. Past Sausalito, and then we're gonna go to this place called Hookfish.
Good thing we got e-bikes.
Yeah, this would not be possible. Or it would be possible, but it'd be a lot harder.
It wouldn't be possible for me. Okay, let's go. We made it to Christie Field. Actually, in all my 3 years of living in SF, I've never been here.
This is the first place I went to when I first visited SF. I biked here actually last time I came here too.
But I bet it wasn't on an e-bike. It's so easy, even I can do it.
It's actually so easy.
These e-bikes go really fast too.
You're dreaming about somebody else. Now I'm feeling.
We biked all the way to sunny Sausalito.
We made it.
Josh thinks I'm really slow, even though the speed radar says I'm going 13 miles per hour.
We were getting passed by regular bikers.
But they're like serious bikers. They have biker shorts on.
We should be like zooming by them.
I felt like I was going really fast. Safety first.
You're doing good.
Yeah, that's cute. Oh my god, it's so cute.
I think I'm losing my mind, but I can't help but feel like we don't
know. It's nice to do touristy things when you live here, you know? I haven't done this kind of thing in like a couple of years now. Very cute.
Biking is actually probably the best way to see SF.
Yeah, if you're avoiding the hilly areas, which we did. Look at that cross section. Delicious. This is the rockfish?
Rockfish?
Rockfish plate and black cod burrito. I haven't had seafood in a while. This is Hawaii. That salt's so good.
Where we started.
Yeah. Here. We're on our way back now.
We took a lot of detours on the way too.
This is actually such a scenic ride.
Yeah.
You go through like from the beaches to the forest, across the bridge, more beaches. I haven't been here since I moved here. It's pretty cute. I kind of want one. It looks just like Disneyland. San Francisco. I swear this place did not look like this before. They have a store called Yap. This is Yap. I just want to give a huge shout out to Unlimited Biking for today's ride. They offer bike rentals and tours in cities across the US. I use them here in San Francisco, but they're also in New York, LA, DC, Miami, and a couple others. In my opinion, biking is one of the best ways to explore a new city, and they have e-bikes and regular bikes that makes it super easy depending on your athleticism. If you're like me, the e-bike is a great option. They were super helpful and kind, and I would highly recommend.
We try to hit it on in 3. Just a driver 6 wedge or something. 4 actively person score. 2, 1.
Ooh, this is a spacious master. Oh, this closet would not work for me. This is smaller than my closet.
Yeah. Maybe get like a
Bathroom's a little small too. We're feeling a little sick and lazy, so we just ordered some Mexican food in.
mostly lazy.
I don't know, mostly sick for me. We have been watching this all week. Great show, by the way. Good morning. Josh just left my apartment and we honestly didn't do much this time when he visited because A, he's been here so many times, you've already done all the touristy stuff, and B, I somehow got extremely sick. We just pretty much laid on the couch all day and watched the whole season of Culinary Class Wars, and honestly, it was so nice. So no regrets there. I'm making some tea right now to nurse myself back to health, and also ordered some congee and rice rolls from a new place that I want to try. I don't think I'm gonna do anything today except edit, drink tea, and eat my congee. I am getting back on the plane to go to Hawaii in the next week or so, so I really need to just get my health together before then. Got my order. This looks like it's gonna be so good. I haven't had these in so long. Oh, it smells so good. I also just remembered that I have some youtiao. I'm gonna air fry these and then pop them in my congee too. This one has pork, barbecue pork, and egg, I believe. I got sent another exciting package today. I just got this set of dishware. I've been using the same plates and bowls for a while. Some of them I've had since college, so they're super janky, but figured it was time for an upgrade, and so I got these ones. They're super simple and cute. It's just a 12-piece set. It comes with a larger dinner plate, a smaller salad plate, and also a bowl, and 4 of each. So super excited to use these. If you've been following me for a while, then you'll know that I recently started doing YouTube shorts of what I eat in a day, so you'll definitely see these featured on there. Good morning. It is much later in the week. Pretty much all I did this week was go to work and go home, so I didn't film any of it. But now it's the weekend, and today I'm gonna go to a new cafe with 2 of my friends from college. This is like a really cute new Korean cafe that recently opened up in Hayes Valley. I love a good cafe date, so let's head out because I am late. I also want to get some work done after, so I'm gonna bring my laptop with me. And look at this adorable new laptop case I just got. This is from a brand called Comfiable, and they make these adorable little puffy laptop cases. And it's magnetic, so your laptop will be really secure inside. I've been using a really janky laptop sleeve from Amazon for the longest time, and it doesn't feel very protective, so I'm always a little nervous when I travel with it, but this is gonna be great, especially since I'm on the road so much. A little spot.
Like, so the one.
Oh, really? It is an aesthetic piece. It is another beautiful day in SF. Today I'm going to celebrate my friend's birthday. This is the outfit. I'm wearing this top from Brandy, and then my pants are from GU. And then, since I know it's gonna get chilly later, this jacket from Zara, which kind of matches the pants, kind of. And my sunglasses are Tom Ford. These are my 3 board games that I bring pretty much everywhere with me. Exploding Kittens with the expansion pack. This game called Combia, which is my favorite card game. It's lesser known, but you can buy it on Amazon, and I like it because you can play it like an endless amount of times without getting bored. And then Monopoly Deal, which is always a classic. So I'm gonna bring these 3 with me.